Let's fill out the California dog bill of sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a dog from a breeder in this state, there are some important requirements to know about. First, the breeder must deliver a written disclosure to every purchaser. This disclosure needs to be signed by the breeder, certifying its accuracy, and also signed by the purchaser, acknowledging they received it. On top of that, the breeder must also go over all required medical information out loud, verbally, with the purchaser. The health certificate from a veterinarian is valid for 7 days following the dog's examination. Breeders are required to keep records for at least 1 year after the dog is sold or otherwise placed. At the time of sale, the breeder must also give the purchaser a separate written notice of their rights. This notice must be in at least 10-point type, and the purchaser must sign it to acknowledge they've reviewed it. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.